Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix No Install Button Microsoft Store. Chapter 1. How to fix No Install Button Microsoft Store repairing the store. We will start by entering Store in the search box. Click on App Settings. After that, you are going to go to the bottom and click on Repair. He hopes the store will be repaired. After this, click Reset. Confirm this by clicking Reset again and wait for the process to complete. Chapter 2. How to fix No Install Button Microsoft Store resetting the store. To use this method, enter the command wsreset in the search box. Click on the command. You can see a command prompt window opens, and then the store will open. Chapter 3. How to fix No Install Button Microsoft Store analyzing the file system. We will start by entering CMD in the search box. Select Run as Administrator and click Yes to authorize. Upon accessing the terminal, we execute the command sfc scannow bar. We press Enter. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Wait for this command to scan the file system for errors. Chapter 4. How to fix No Install Button Microsoft Store from PowerShell. We will start by entering PowerShell in the search box. Click Run as Administrator and authorize access. After that, run the on-screen command to register developer mode. After this, run the on-screen command to reset system apps. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.